Say man, it's your boy Takequiz TV. I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you see in the title, I got another hit video for y'all, nigga. You feel me? A banger, you feel me? You feel me? I'm finna put y'all on game, as y'all know my last, well, I don't even know, listen, okay, so I'm gonna break some down to niggas before I even get into what I'm talking about this video. So, and mind y'all, this video off the top of my head, I just said I'm gonna sit down and make a video. So on my second channel, I made 2 channels, cause I was gonna do something on my second channel, but I posted a video on there. That shit is got hella comments on it, hella views, all type of shit. And I've never checked this out. I never been on this channel, so I'ma just go ahead and make a video just straight for that channel. This video is only going on that channel, you feel me? So what's up? I got another channel, Takequiz. Y'all can follow that. I'ma link that in the description. Subscribe to my other channel, or maybe I'ma just, you feel me, keep this content like this, getting money, all type of shit. Cause as y'all see, I got a clothing brand. I be making clothing brand videos on my other channel, but I'ma bring that shit that's all I be working on. That's why you don't see me posting a lot on YouTube in real life, all clothing brand shit. Right before I made this video, boom, I'm working on all clothing brand shit on my phone, not on my phone, my computer, but okay, boom. So today's video is how to get motion, how to start a clothing brand, all type of shit, you feel me? So I'm basically gonna give y'all some tips and all that type of shit. So I'm gonna go into some more details on how to get money, how to get motion in this video. One way, the way I go, I got a Steve hoodie on, you can see, my nigga. I got a clothing brand, you feel me? Now, the clothing brand market hella saturated with niggas and shit. Matter of fact, while I'm talking, go ahead, copy a Steve hoodie. I got hella designs and all type of shit on my website. So it's it's not even no just basic shit. I got hella shit on my website, but yeah. But back to what I was saying, clothing brand market hella saturated, bruh. But I'm the type nigga, I'm an honest ass nigga. Bruh, if you ain't gonna put your heart in the sun, I ain't even gonna tell you, before I tell you anything in this video, bruh, nigga, if you ain't willing to work, bro, you ain't willing to put no hard work, no type of dedication, none of that shit, you just think, you finna watch this video, go to sleep, and the money finna be in your bank account tomorrow, my nigga, just click off the video. I appreciate the view, but if you ain't willing to do all that, you gotta sacrifice, bruh. And if you got, you think, not hate when niggas be that shit easy, that shit easy. Nigga, oh, that nigga just hoop. He just a basketball player. Nigga, them niggas put their heart and soul in that shit, nigga. Or, oh, McDonald's, they just sell burgers. It's not hard to sell, nigga, you feel me? People say they can do everything, nigga, but, the shit that you, you want, the real successful people, they put that hard work and dedication in, bro. If you ain't willing to put that in, I ain't even recommend you, go the route of being an entrepreneur, not even just an entrepreneur. If you just in the world for being small money, you would do anything for money, you need to check your character game. But yeah, back to what I'm saying. Boom, clothing brand, easy startup. If you need a whole story, I'm gonna make a whole separate video, right after this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make this video, order some food, make another video, and that's the video gonna be how to start a clothing brand. But yeah, this video about how to get motion, but clothing brand, nigga, I'm gonna make a video on how to make mock-ups, how to make what you need to start, what you need to build the marketing, gaining on Instagram. Me on Instagram got 30K on my Instagram. I got a whole separate clothing page. I'm doing my thug this, you feel me? Run it up. I'm trying to run it up on YouTube. I gotta get more consistent, but me checking the views on that one video made me be it made me sit back and be I bet. Let me go on this second channel and run it up real quick. But yeah, I'm saying, clothing brand, I'm gonna break all that shit down one by one. But all in all, you gotta be willing to put in the hard work. That's just what I want to tell you about anything in that you want to put in the hard work. But clothing brand, every clothing is a necessity. Every time you go out the house, you put on clothes. Nigga, you don't even think about it, but nigga, you wear clothes you do think about it. It don't cross your mind every day that you wear clothes every day, but you wear clothes every day, nigga. But why not why don't not people wear your brand? It's a necessity. Fashion is $1 trillion. Look at the look at the revenue of fashion in the world in 1 year. It's gonna make you want to start a clothing brand, my nigga. Once I seen that number, bro, it made me not even with no bullshit. Once I seen that number, I was locked in, bro. I was like, it's a lot of money in this industry. Like, nigga, that's anything you want to do in life, bro. Look at the revenue from the industry. Pick you a good industry where you like the money and you don't got to sacrifice your morals for any of this shit. I recommend that for anybody. But yeah, clothing brand, if you do it the right way, you put your hard work and dedication in it, you're going to have fun. You're going to be fly as hell. Taking nice pictures. Like, who don't want to be fly as hell, fun as hell, life, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna keep going next. So after clothing brand, I'm saying, like, nigga, what I would say, this is only strictly for niggas who like younger. Like, if you in high school, you in middle school, like, that's cause this YouTube, so I'm gonna appeal to the YouTube audience. Like, if you in high school or middle school, bro. My partner, Darian, bro, this nigga used to sell like Kool-Aid gummies, bro. Like, Kool-Aid. He used to buy a pack. I'm gonna put you on game, bro. He used to buy a pack of gummy worms from Walmart, the regular ass, name brand ass ones. Like, nigga. And he had the big jar of Kool-Aid, bro. Now I'm finna put y'all, this probably maybe $11 at most. I don't even know if it's 11, well, I don't know. Inflation high as hell these days, but maybe $11 at most. Boom. So, nigga, all he do, he put sugar in the Kool-Aid together. He mix it on the gummy worms. Put 10 in the bag, nigga. Wrap them up, nigga. He got like the bag he get from this is like he got like 20, 30 bags of gummy worms, my nigga. So boom, he come selling all them hoes, every bag for $1, nigga. Now boom, this nigga, like, it might not seem a lot in the scale of things, but like, you selling 30, that's $30 a day from selling gummy worms, nigga, you feel me? Like this nigga selling, nigga making $30, $40 a day selling gummy worms. Now what I used to do, now I see my nigga, like, we both play sports, so niggas who play sports at my high school and shit, like, nigga, the way it's set up, like, you go sports first period, and then you go to your breakfast time. We got a different breakfast time than regular niggas at the school, you feel me? So they serve our breakfast separately, my nigga. So boom. After that, nigga, that's a period where he ain't seen nobody in the school all day, bro. I used to buy like 5, 6 of them hoes, right? He sell out. Who only one got him? Me. I'm doubling up, nigga. On God. Like, I buy like 6 from my nigga. Then nigga wait for them nigga to sell out. Nigga be like, damn, they don't got no more. Cause that's my partner, so niggas know that's my partner. So niggas be like, oh, you seen that nigga D got good ones? If I know he sold out, nah, but here, I got you, I'll sell these hoes for 2, you feel me? Or 3, you feel me? If real niggas really need it, you feel me? I'll let them negotiate the price, you feel me? But yeah, that's just easy hustle, like, right then and there, nigga. Like, I used to do it off that, you feel me? Like, and this another thing, bro. Don't be doing all that scamming, card cracking. Like, I know that shit look good. Me, like, I'm gonna keep it a bean 15. Like, me, I'm a real nigga. I ain't gonna lie. I keep it a bean 15. Like, nigga, there's some niggas really out here busting. Like, nigga, I know. Like, listen, I know. There's some niggas really out here busting some plays, making up some real motion off this scamming shit. But 75, not even 75, 90% of the niggas y'all see be posting these scamming, all that, be cap as hell. And or them the niggas who be going to jail, bro. Like, niggas gonna be telling about them Fed cases. Like, niggas be catching them Fed cases. Like, you get caught scamming, especially, like, all it take, bro, is you to be in a different state from the nigga you scamming. You scam a nigga from a different state, you affecting interstate commerce. You might not even know what that is, but you affecting interstate commerce. They can come get your ass to feds, nigga. Feds, whatever you get served, sentence, you doing 85% of the time. So don't even go that route. Like, I know the fast money look good. Like, damn, this nigga came up 10 piece or 20 piece, all that shit. But like I said earlier, all money ain't good money. So let's keep it the legal way. Like, what type of nigga is you? If you willing to learn how to scam, but you want to learn how to make the money the legal way. Like, The legal way gonna take you far. Like, nigga, I ain't never seen a billionaire scammer. I ain't never seen really a millionaire scammer. Cause nigga, boom. Niggas like Hush Puppy, Bandman Kevo got caught at one. Bandman Kevo don't scam no more. But all the niggas who be running it up for real off scamming, bro, who done got real money off scamming, what happened to all their ass? Go do your research. It hit, like J-Mane said, nigga, it hit different, nigga. Do your research on all the niggas who used to scam and where they at today. So don't even, and drugs, same thing, bro. El Chapo. It's the reason why you see documentaries and shit about El Chapos and all type of shit, and you don't see them niggas doing that shit. There ain't no where BMF? In jail, nigga. Like, what? None of that shit. So go ahead, take your like streets. None of that. Like, y'all wanna? I'm gonna keep it bean. Like, I'm gonna keep it straight honest with y'all niggas. Like, if you in the streets, bro, and you and your gang, like them your partners for real, like I fuck with all my niggas personally, like me, them I fuck, we locked in, but like to die over, you gotta look at it like me. I like to look at shit from like the outside perspective. Like we is like, say it's you and your 50 niggas, even say if it's you and 100 friends, nigga, 100 niggas you know. Them 100 people to the 7 billion people on this earth, bro. Like, you gotta look at things in that scale. Like, cause that's how you gonna accumulate that wealth. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta look at life from that scale. But boom, nigga, you willing to die for that? Like, and even break it down like this, my nigga. Like nigga, by the rare circumstances, you just happen to grow up wherever you grew up, bro. Say you grew up in a bad neighborhood. Say you grew up like just wherever you grew up. You don't want to just jump in the streets like you don't want to die for some niggas you only fuck with because you grew up around their ass. Like them niggas, because a lot of niggas in the streets, a lot of niggas who doing all that shit. They're telling you like I done seen niggas get like look. I done seen some wild shit, like I heard some wild shit, gang. Like, I know a nigga who done told on his own pot. These niggas lives together, all type of shit. Like nigga, I know a nigga who killed his own partner, nigga, like crazy shit, like bro. None of that shit, like cool, bro. And that nigga, like I said, the nigga who killed his own partner, bro, that nigga would end up doing drugs, all type of shit, jail, all type of shit. So like, you don't even want to go that route, gang. So like. Go ahead, like I said, go ahead, get on this green money, this clean money. Those two things I say for younger niggas or older people. If you above 18 above, I got an option for you: stocks, bonds, crypto. So boom, I'm gonna probably make like a Discord chat or some type of group chat or some type of something where I could show y'all. I'm gonna do call outs where I'm gonna show y'all like when I say call outs, bro. I'm not the type of nigga to bullshit you, so I'm not finna tell you, oh yeah, put your life investments in this shit coin, so they paying me, nigga, invest your money in this shit coin, it's gonna go up. I take my money out, all y'all niggas lose y'all money, and then it'd be sad like that. No, bro, we only invest like, what I'm talking about when this crypto shit, bro, like, alright, boom, when the crypto down, I'm gonna break it down like this. Trusted crypto sites like not crypto sites, but trusted crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like shit like that. The real, you feel me, real coins, nigga. When they low, you buy them. So boom, the price is low, you put your money in. Okay, boom, you pay attention to the charts. So like boom, the money gonna fluctuate. It might be higher, it might be lower. Don't stress it. Don't put no money you can't go a month without seeing. All right. Now, if you got a higher budget, go ahead and put a higher number. But yeah, you put it in. Alright, if it's up, so say you up like a lot of percentage of what you put in, like say you just happen to buy, like say, I'm gonna give like a random example. Say I got this wallet, right? I bought this wallet when it was $10, you feel me? But 5 years later, this wallet was worth $100, or say somebody made this wallet famous, you feel me? Like those boots or something made this wallet famous, and all of a sudden these were like a rare commodity, like this specific type of wallet, and now it's worth $100 or $1,000, that's when you will want to sell it. And it's the same thing with cryptocurrency. Like, I'm not gonna be the one who bullshit you about crypto, bro. It's that simple. But you gotta be willing, like I said earlier, you gotta be willing to put in the work, bro. Like, pay attention, up early, seeing what the crypto news, all that shit. But yeah, those few things I could say, definitely you will want to look into. Like I know niggas be like telling you to drop ship and all that shit, but I ain't gonna bullshit you about the drop shipping. Either drop shipping gonna be your life, or you barely gonna make money from it. I ain't gonna be like, I'm tag game. Like, I'm gonna keep it a bean 15 every time. But I know this video probably long as hell, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this bitch up and make this clothing brand video. But yeah, hey, if you made this point of video, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, it's your boy TechWizTV.